Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Bounziecurls Boost Defining Cream is probably one of the most sought-after products for achieving beautifully defined, frizz-free curls, and in this video, we're diving deep into whether it lives up to the hype, analyzing its ingredients, performance on various curl types, and long-term effects to help you decide if this is the holy grail your hair has been waiting for. Number 5. OGX Argan Oil Curl Defining Styling Cream. Discover the secret to beautifully defined curls. This styling cream is designed to enhance your natural texture, giving you the look you desire. Experience the nourishing power of cold-pressed argan oil. It works to hydrate and soften your hair, leaving it feeling amazing. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. This formula helps to control flyaways and boost your curls' natural shine. We believe in gentle care. That's why this product is free from parabens and harsh sulfates, making it suitable for all hair textures. Whether your curls are loose waves or tight coils, this cream is your perfect partner. It enhances definition and bounce for every type of curl. Achieve salon-worthy curls from the comfort of your home. It's the easy way to get the perfect finish every time. What we like. Infused with argan oil, this cream offers superior frizz control for all curl types. If you have frizzy, unruly curls and want a smooth, defined look, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those seeking a simple yet effective solution for daily styling. What people say. This cream manages the frizz perfectly and makes my curls look and feel healthy. I have naturally curly hair and my curls are instantly popped. This product has worked wonders. My curls always come out soft and bouncy. Number 4. Marc Curl Cream Shea Butter Oil Set of 2. Tired of frizzy, undefined curls? Introducing a revolutionary curl cream designed to bring your natural texture to life. Get ready for soft, manageable, and beautifully defined waves and curls. Infused with nourishing shea butter and a blend of enriching oils, this formula deeply moisturizes your hair. It works to tame frizz and enhance your hair's natural softness and shine. Experience the dual power of definition and softness. This cream helps to shape your curls and waves while leaving them feeling incredibly smooth to the touch. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to touchable texture. Specifically crafted for those with curly and wavy hair types. Whether your hair is tightly coiled or loosely waved, this product is your go-to for achieving your best hair day, every day. Get more of what you love with this convenient set of 2. Ensure you never run out of your favorite curl-defining solution. Stock up and keep your curls looking fabulous. What we like. This set combines shea butter and nourishing oils to define and soften your curls. If you're looking for enhanced softness and definition in a convenient 2-pack, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to deeply moisturize their curls while enjoying a great value. What people say. Perfect ringlet with much less frizz. It defined and refreshed them without crunchiness, added great shape and bounce, and kept frizz at bay. My hair is so soft and curls defined and bouncy. My hair has a healthy shine, without feeling heavy or greasy. Number 3. HerStyler Hair Repair Serum. Introducing HerStyler Hair Repair Serum, your ultimate solution for frizzy and damaged hair. This powerful serum is designed to bring life back to your locks. Enriched with the natural goodness of argan oil, it deeply nourishes your hair. Experience the difference as it works to repair and revitalize. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to radiant shine. This serum not only tames unruly hair but also enhances its natural luster. It's the perfect companion for your daily styling routine. Achieve a smooth, polished look with ease. This lightweight formula is gentle on your hair yet highly effective. Enjoy healthier looking hair with every use. Each bottle contains 2 fluid ounces of intensive hair repair. It's the ideal size for your beauty regimen. What we like. This serum is designed to repair frizz and add brilliant shine to damaged hair. If your hair is frizzy, damaged, or needs a boost of radiance, consider this product. It's perfect for those who want to restore health and luster to their locks with a concentrated formula. What people say. Makes your hair feel even silkier after using the flat iron or if you just want to touch it up for flyaways or extra shine. My hair still flows, moves like it was just freshly washed and free of products and smells wonderful. It feels incredibly silky and smooth to the touch, and this effect lasts throughout the day. My hair also appears much shinier and healthier. I pumped 3 drops on my hands and massaged my very long hair from the ends to the scalp. And voila, instant transformation. No greasy residue. Just silky straight hair. And the amazing thing is that it lasts 3 days, maybe longer. Number 2. Color Wow Dream Coat for Curly Hair. Tired of frizzy, undefined curls? Discover the secret to effortlessly beautiful, bouncy curls that last. Get ready to transform your hair routine. Achieve salon-worthy, frizz-free curls with ease. Our advanced formula works to tame flyaways and enhance your natural curl pattern. Say goodbye to humidity worries. Quench your thirsty curls with intense hydration. This spray deeply moisturizes, leaving your hair feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Experience the difference moisture makes. Bring out the best in your curls. Our unique formula enhances your natural texture, defining each strand for a fuller, more vibrant look. Embrace your beautiful, unique waves. Achieving dream curls has never been simpler. Just a few sprays are all it takes to unlock smooth, defined, and manageable hair. Get ready for compliments. This is your all-in-one solution for gorgeous, healthy-looking curls. It's designed to combat frizz, boost moisture, and enhance your natural pattern. Your best curls are waiting. What we like? Achieve frizz-free curls effortlessly with this moisture-boosting spray. If you desire easy-to-manage, hydrated curls without the fuss, this is the product for you. It's ideal for anyone looking for a simple spray application that delivers significant frizz reduction and curl enhancement. What people say. After I showered and towel-dried my hair thoroughly, I sprayed a lot of this product all over my hair, even flipping my hair upside down and spraying the underneaths. I could tell the product gave my locks more distinction. I think they would have been much frizzier without the product. The top of my head especially was not frizzy in the slightest. And all of my hair strands felt soft and smooth. It's going to add definition and smoothness while also supporting your curly texture. No crunch. The spray provides a natural finish with a medium hold, which is perfect for everyday styling or even for more polished looks. Number 1. Color Wow 1-Minute Transformation Styling Cream. Tired of frizzy hair? Get an instant fix with this amazing styling cream. It works on the spot to smooth and tame your strands. This nourishing cream is designed to smooth and tame your hair, eliminating frizz in just 1 minute. Achieve a polished look effortlessly. Need a quick solution for unruly hair? This product provides on-the-spot defrizzing, leaving your hair manageable and sleek. Infused with avocado oil and omega-3s, it deeply hydrates and repairs your hair. Experience a healthier texture with every use. Transform your hair to a silkier, smoother texture. This cream not only tames frizz but also nourishes for a beautiful finish. What we like? Get an instant frizz fix with this nourishing styling cream. If you need a quick solution to tame frizz and smooth your hair on the spot, this is it. It's perfect for those on the go or anyone who wants to instantly improve hair texture and achieve a silkier, smoother finish. What people say. It gives my hair a smooth, shiny finish without any flaking or stiffness. The hold lasts for hours, and even when my hair gets tousled, it still looks intentional and polished. Defines my hair and takes away the frizz. My hair is usually poofy, but this product saves me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.